In this video, we'll summarize some of the basic elements of B+B EAP. We will cover the EAP main screen and supporting detail screens. Most data is displayed in one screen, the main screen. The top part of the screen is mainly demographic information, such as name, address, and contact information. You can enter as much or as little as you need to perform your functions. The top right of the screen is mainly date-related information, including intake, close date, etc. Much of the information is automatically entered for you. For example, when you add a case, the intake date automatically defaults to today's date, although you can edit it. Data is easily manipulated, such as right-clicking on an empty date field. You can enter today's date. Or using the plus and minus signs, you can increment the days in the date. Much of the data is entered through pick lists, which are modifiable by administrators by pressing the arrow button on the right of the pick lists. Right below the dates are print options, including printing your own intake forms and printing a case summary. These intake forms are completely user modifiable. The middle third of the screen contains contact data. You can see the contacts in greater detail by clicking on the Contacts Detail button. Here are here's your contact data in detail, along with a grid showing your individual contacts. The bottom third of the screen contains referral data. You can see referral data displayed on one screen, as well as a list of services provided by pressing the referral detail. Here's the referral detail in individual text boxes, along with a list of optional services provided that you can check off for each client. In addition, once you select a referral, you can print a copy of the referral contact data for your client in order to make it easier for him to contact that referral. Assessment information is stored in the assessment screen. Click the assessment button and you'll see you can store referral information along with primary and secondary assessments and their severity. Again, all these options are user modifiable. The final disposition area on the left side is required before a case can be closed, either a final disposition value, a declined help date, or a fired date. You can be alerted to cases that have had a large number of days without activity. If you'll notice, on the screen pops up a little warning that there's been no activity in the last 5 days for this particular client. You can set that value to whatever value you want by using the menu option under Survey, Other, and click on User Setup, and you can display an on-screen reminder after an unlimited number of days of inactivity. You can use this option if you want to be alerted to cases because they haven't had activity and you wish to close them out. This concludes the summary of general features of B+B EAP.